Become a site reliability engineer at Cisco ThousandEyes. Imagine being at the heart of a cutting-edge platform that guarantees seamless digital experiences across every network, even those beyond your control. That's exactly what Cisco ThousandEyes does. It's a digital assurance platform powered by AI and a rich mix of cloud, internet, and enterprise network data. It helps IT teams spot and fix issues fast, way before they affect users. ThousandEyes doesn't just stand alone. It's woven into the fabric of Cisco's entire tech lineup, boosting networking, security, collaboration, and observability products with smart insights and scalable deployments. In the role of a Site Reliability Engineer, SRE, on a network assurance data platform team, you'll be the brain behind keeping our cloud and big data systems rock solid, secure, and ready for anything. You'll team up with software developers, product folks, and security experts to build and maintain multi-region systems that are the backbone for our AI and machine learning projects. What will you actually do? You'll design and fine-tune cloud and data infrastructure focused on availability, reliability, and scalability. Using SRE practices like monitoring, alerting, and root cause analysis, you'll spot issues before they grow, automate operational tasks, and push continuous improvement. Your work will help us deliver ML/AI solutions smoothly, while you help define the team's technical path and mentor your teammates. The ideal candidate can create tested, scalable solutions that simplify operations. Has strong hands-on experience with cloud platforms, ideally AWS. Knows infrastructure as code, especially Terraform and Kubernetes. Understands AWS cost management. Is familiar with Prometheus and Alert Manager. Writes clean, reliable code in Python, Go, or similar languages. Has solid Unix/Linux system knowledge. Bonus points for experience with cloud and big data AI tools like EMR, Airflow, Comet ML, AWS SageMaker, and Spark. Cisco is all about diverse perspectives and believes great talent comes in many forms. We're expanding how we spot potential. Not just looking at degrees or years of experience, but focusing on what you can bring to the table. We encourage you to apply, even if you don't tick every box. Many talented people hesitate due to imposter syndrome, especially from underrepresented groups. If you're interested, take the leap. This could be the perfect role for you.